Hi everyone, in this video I discuss options on which engine to put in my 33 Hot Rod Ford. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. You can always click on the links below to see my journey from the beginning. Ford or Chevy, Windsor or Coyote, a 350 small block or LS build, or a pre-built Roush or pre-built Blueprint. What I do know is I'm going to go with an automatic. Pushing in a clutch every 5 seconds is not going to be great for my neck. I've tried it. And automatics just shift faster. And that's why all your supercars are going to automatics or paddle shifters. It'd be great to have a paddle shifter myself, but it seems a little pricey to do. We'll have to see. So, as you noticed, I'm a modern guy. I like technology over old school, so for me, I'm going to have to go with fuel injection. Now, this makes tuning easier. I don't have to worry about cold temperatures outside and high elevation changes that all affect a carburetor. And in Arizona, we have mountains everywhere with massive elevation changes and temperature changes in just one afternoon of cruising, so fuel injection is the way to go for me. Plus, I've had carburetors in the past with my other toys, and it was always an issue, even when properly set up by experts. Just way too high maintenance for me. I just want to drive after I finish this thing and not tinker with things that should just work. I want to just enjoy the ride or tinker with additions and customizations. Now, I could get a fuel-injected bolt-on carburetor type unit, which is even self-programming and keeps my engine looking old school. Or I could go with the newer modern intakes with the fuel injector rails and such. If you guys have already been down this road, I'd love to read your comments below. And it also seems that everyone says a Ford engine is more expensive to rebuild than a Chevy. But am I building? I think I will have to save money. A new crate engine is pretty expensive, somewhere between $7K to $15K for starters. And that's not including the transmission. I also had a few people tell me I have to put a Ford engine in the car no matter what. But after more research, I noticed that all the hot rods in the magazines and books of history books and stuff of hot rods, they all have Chevy engines in them no matter what the make of the car is. And that really surprised me. You know, I didn't grow up in the 50s, so I'm kind of oblivious of some of these facts, but I'm learning as I go. And then I started asking a bunch of people, and someone finally said, "It's a replica, Jim. It's not a Ford." And that statement all of a sudden was a game changer for me to do whatever I want with this car. And, you know, it is a replica and doesn't come with matching numbers. So the quality of my build will dictate my resale value and not which brand of engine, as long as it's done right. And that's not true in every situation, but for this one, I think it's okay. Maybe if it was a Ford Cobra or something, I'd want to put a Ford engine in it. So I'm going to see if I can find some videos on rebuilding engines and see, the trials and tribulations of each and see what decisions I come up with. So until next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons and have a great day.